All right, so here's the latest update on my new to me EQ6 mount and my currently work in progress cyberdeck that I'm building for my telescope control. So I bought this mount a few months ago. This is the first time I've actually had to finally get it set up. I've been earlier tonight I was looking at the comet that's out right now, C 2023 A3, and anyway, I finally earlier tonight I was having some trouble with the software, but now I think I finally got things working. So just as a refresher, what I've got here is an old actually like a computer out of police car, that sort of thing. Don't know if it's necessarily police, but police first responder type vehicle, called the Datalux. This is right now just running off a car battery I had laying around. Later I will do a better power supply here within. I mean, it'll still be battery powered, but something different in here. But right now I just have it plugged into a car battery. So I've got the computer plugged into the mount via USB. I am running Ubuntu on here, and for telescope control I have Indy for the back end, INDI, and then running Stellarium. And so yeah, so what I have right now, hopefully you maybe see here, so I'm pointed roughly at Saturn. My alignment on the mount today was not perfect, so you can see it's pointed slightly off Saturn because I had to slew it manually a little bit to actually center it up in the eyepiece, just due to my chromia alignment. But here nor there. So aligned with Saturn right now. Now, one of the things that's nice about these computers is actually it's a touchscreen capable, and then I have a keyboard with a built-in touchpad here, but I'll just use the touchscreen right now because I have it. So let's say I want to go to Jupiter, so click on that, click on the telescope control within Stellarium. Nice thing about this computer, it's got a night mode built in. But anyway, so I'm going to center up on current object and then hit slew. And now we is off to the races. It's going to go do its thing. So yeah, pretty excited with how this is working now. This is a big step up from my old mount. I had a Skyview Pro. I gave to my son. He's got it set up over there. I don't know if you can quite see it, but it was, that one was motorized, but not go-to and computerized like this one. So earlier tonight I was just using the hand controller, and that was great. But yeah, having all plugged in and actually working with Stellarium is pretty awesome. That's definitely going to make things way easier for me. Plan is to eventually get this telescope set up in a permanent location, so once it's all really well aligned, and then I don't have to redo that every time I want to go observe. And then for doing astrophotography, I just plug in Stellarium what I want to look at. And yeah, not as fancy as some people have, I know, but it's working. So I am very happy.